the youngest member at ating bunso ng Beanie. And Sir Roxy is welcoming her with a bouquet of flowers. Sir Joanna, belated happy birthday. Please make your way towards the center of the stage. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yes. As Direct Lauren welcomes her with her own bouquet. Parang nakatawa lang si Mika, parang hindi siya makapaniwala sa nangyayari. Yes, this is happening, Mika. Kindly receive your flowers from Mr. Rick. Kindly make your way to the stage. And she is about to be welcomed by, of course, Sir Roxy Dikigan. As they make their way towards the stage, our dear blooms are very excited to see Gwen. And she is welcomed by our dear Tatay, Direct Lord. Yes. Let this sink in. She is greeting our dear friends from the media, our guests, and Manoy will be welcomed with a bouquet from our dear Tita Cory. Alright. So she's carefully maneuvering her way towards the stage, and she's welcomed by our dear gentleman of a seat. Demurely approaching the stage, as always, ang pinagmula ng Beanie Run, Beanie Aya is being welcomed right now with flowers from our chairman, Sir Brent. Partners natin, thank you very much. And of course, ang Beanie team nandito rin today. So girls, ito na, kumusta kayo? How are you? Hashtag Beanie Kapamilya hanggang dulo. And keep on sharing our live streams, keep on tweeting. At syempre, hindi pwedeng walang photo op with our blooms na graduate from Beanie University.